Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing good. My name is Cynthia. If you're watching me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much guys for always coming back. So in this video we're going to be making an off-shoulder cape dress. This is what we're going to be making today. I'll be making a short version of it. So I've made this kind of tutorial before, just that the one in my channel is not an off-shoulder dress and is longer than this one. So I'll be making a short version of this. I'll be making use of this crepe fabric. This is 3 meters, 60 inches by length. First, I will lay my fabric on the table. I will grab it right from here. So I want to create my circle. I'm not making a full circle. I don't want it too full. So I think I'm okay with this. My shoulder measurement is 16 inches, divided into 2 is 8 inches, plus ½ inch for sewing allowance. So I'll mark my 8.5 inches here. So I'll just add the neck, everything. I'll be cutting this upper part out anyway. I just want to add it for illustration purpose. So I will take 3 inches for the neck depth, and then take 3.5 inches for the wideness of the neck. I will make a curve here. I will take 1 inch for shoulder slope. So I will make a line here. Right from the shoulder slope, I will take 10 inches. Now curve it right from here. Right from this original armhole, I will come down by 8 inches. So this will now be my new armhole, or you can call it a arm opening. So I'll mark 8 inches here. I will go back to the upper part right from this shoulder slope. So I will curve it right from this shoulder slope. Take it to this 10 inches. This 8 inches is my arm opening. You can go inside by 1 inch or ½ inch. So I will mark ½ inch here inward. So I will make a curve here, just a slight curve. Then I will take this all the way to the length. I will go ahead and take the length before I will cut out the 4 inches for the off shoulder. Full length of my dress is 45 inches. Right from the shoulder here, I will take 45 inches round. That is including sewing allowance. So I'm marking my 45 inches round. This is my 45 inches. I'll go ahead and cut it out. I will cut the length first. So I'll move over to the upper part, so I will cut the upper part. So this is my arm opening. I will make a notch here. cut out this 1/2 inch. So there's no need of me cutting out the neckline, because I'll be cutting out 4 to 5 inches from the shoulder. It depends on how many inches you want to cut out for the off shoulder. For me, I'll be cutting out 4.5 inches. I'll be cutting out 4.5 inches, so you can cut out 5 inches if you want. I will cut this place out. So this is the full length. I will use this to cut out the back panel. It's basically the same process. I've cut out the front and the back. To make sure before you cut out the inches you want to cut out, you make sure you measure here to see if it's up to your round shoulder measurement. So for me, my round shoulder measurement is 44 inches. Divided by 4 is 11 inches. So I have 11 inches here. I might cut out 1/2 inch again. I will cut out this 1/2 inch, making it 5 inches. So I cut out 5 inches for the off shoulder. I have about 12 inches here. I'll use 1 inch for sewing allowance. I will use 1 inch for side seam allowance. This is the normal armhole before I created the arm opening. So I found out that this one is a little bit short. I have to come down by 1 inch and then create another new armhole. Right from this 1 inch, I create another 8 inches for the arm opening here. So I will go ahead and cut the neck facing. I will place my fabric like so. I'm cutting out 1.5 inches for the neck facing. So what we are going to do is to put the fabric together. So I'll open it up and open this one. So this is one part of the panel. And this is the facing. I will make sure right sides are facing each other. I will sew it here. I'll do the same thing to this side. So I finished using the facing to turn the neckline. After sewing it right side facing each other, I made a top stitch here, then flip it to the other side. I would like to add some details to the dress by adding some accessory to the upper part here. I'll use a sewing machine or a hand stitch to attach it to the front and the back side, just the upper part here. So we'll go ahead and join the fabric together. I'll lay it against each other. I will lay the front and the back panel against each other. So I will sew it right from the shoulder to this place. So this is my arm opening. I made a notch here. I will leave this place unsewed. I will sew here and start sewing it right from here all the way to the bottom of the dress. I will do the same thing on this side. Sew it here, leave the arm opening and sew the rest part. So guys, I finished joining the sides together. This is the arm opening, and I've also attached the design to it. For the arm opening, I take 1/4 inch twice and hem it round. I hem the bottom of the dress as well. I use 1 inch to hem the bottom of the dress. It's a very simple dress. Down part. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.